All right, this is sold separately. It's clarifying agent kit, and so we got to open it up. It does come with instructions, and you need to read all this because this is a little bit more complicated robot. It's got an app that you have to download, and this is the directions right here. So you have to follow these directions. Open the top cover of the robot, take out the clarifying agent kit and remove the cap. Tear off the aluminum film on the interface of the kit and install the kit into the robot, blah, blah, blah. All right, anyway, so you have to follow this, which we'll have to do. But let's get this thing out of here and see what it looks like. Apparently, we get 2 of these things. Interesting. Okay. Let's take a look at them. All right, so this is all of the information on this, okay? And there's the caps that you got to get off. It's interesting how they have it set on here because it's this way. But then this is the, part that you pull off. So let's go ahead, we'll set those over here for now because we can't really put them in the robot until we charge it and get it ready to go. But that is your Beatbot clarifying kit, and you get 2 of these. All right, so we'll just have to first we got to charge the robot, and then we'll go show you how to put these in.